Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and choices. Backup personal files to an external drive or OneDrive so nothing is lost. Once done, confirm your Microsoft account sign-in, jot down any product keys or app licenses, and make a recovery USB 8 GB plus to protect against reinstall issues. Make sure to disconnect non-essential peripherals to avoid driver confusion. Now open Settings, go to System Recovery, and select Reset this PC to begin the fresh start process. You will now choose how Windows reinstalls. First, pick Remove Everything for a clean slate or Keep My Files if you want personal files retained. Understand the why. Full removal eliminates lingering issues. Next, select Cloud Download for the latest build or local reinstall to use existing files. Cloud needs ~4 GB. Make sure to review settings and confirm drives. Once you start, the PC will restart several times and perform automated file moves and driver setup without further. You finish the out-of-box experience by selecting region, signing into your Microsoft account, and configuring privacy settings. This finalizes system provisioning. Once on the desktop, immediately run Windows Update and install critical drivers and security software, then restore files from your backup. If something goes wrong, say Windows won't boot, use the recovery USB you created or enter safe mode to run startup repair or a system restore. Make sure to document any error codes for targeted fixes and reattempt updates after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.